How can we change our location or country in Google Play? There are two different methods. The first method is available to some users, but the second method, which I will show you, can be used by everyone to change their location. First method, go to Google Play settings and select the general option. In this section, the second option you will see is the country section. As I mentioned, this method identifies your country through a bank card, so you will need to add one here. Once added, you can change it once a year, and your country will be changeable through this process. But for the second method, you go into settings. Once you are in the settings menu, you basically want to go into the app section and search for Google Play right here in the list. Okay, after searching for Google Play, in this section, you should completely clear your storage just once, making sure everything is reset. Then you will need to use a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, to continue. The VPN you use must have the IP address of the country you're targeting. You need to use that specific IP. Well, once you have selected that particular IP, go back into the Google Play Store and you will see that your location has changed to reflect the new IP. If you couldn't download an app before, you should now be able to download it.